Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Tabnine. So let's get started right away. If you have forgotten your Tabnine password, then first of all open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in tabnine.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Tabnine website. Now from the homepage, click on the login or sign up button at the top right corner and you will end up within the login portal. Now from the login portal, in order to reset your password, click on forgot password. Then you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used to sign up for your account and click on send reset instructions. Once you click on this button, you will be asked to check your inbox. So check your inbox and you will find an email from Tabnine. Just open up this email and click on reset password, and now you will be allowed to reset your password for your Tabnine account. Just type in your desired new password within the password box and then type in your password once again to confirm it. Then click on the reset password button and your password will successfully be reset. And now you can use your new password within the login portal along with your original email address to sign into your Tabnine account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on Tabnine if you have forgotten it. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.